Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. So finally, we've completed all the base makeup products of our makeup kit. So let's move on to colorful part of the makeup. So this is the most favorite part of mine because initially when I was in my 20s, I never concentrated on the base makeup, and it's absolutely not necessary to have a big, very base makeup when you're quite young. But I always love the colorful eyeshadows and lipsticks and lot more on the different eyeliners with lots of colors. I love all that colorful stuff. Move on to the eye products. So I am not going to use any primer or base for the eyeshadow. I have never used before. I think the concealer does play the perfect role on for the base as your eyeshadow base. Guys, when it comes to the suggestions or recommendations on the eyeshadow, it can vary from person to person. So few people like it like very nude, very cool tone, very subtle bronzy looks, and few like me who loves colorful eyes, wants to try out products which are so colorful palettes. I do have recommendations here and there so that you would love to buy anything of that sort. And the least most and very affordable products from, I think, none other than Wet n Wild. I do have two single single eyeshadows here, retail for around 115 rupees. It's very affordable. They do have lots of shades, I think around 20 shades. I do have two shades from that, and it's like tiny miny. I do have one lavender purple and one nice green teal tone. It's not teal, actually it's green. This is in the shade Envy, and this is in the shade I don't know, there's no sticker over here, but these are the two shades I have. This is super affordable, super pigmented, nice shimmer. I love the way it looks on the eyes. And if you fall into a medium to you know dark skin, this is going to look super good on you, and I love both of them. This is absolutely perfect buy if you want to just have two or three shades, if you the way you want to create. This is one of the very affordable products for the women who really don't have time. You don't really need brush for this product because this is a highly pigmented shimmer. The brush doesn't pick up that well, but your fingers can pick up so well. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at this. Is again from the brand Wet n Wild. I love their quad palette. These are the two types they have, and this one you must have seen. I have used this many a times in my videos. This is the quad palette in the shade Bed of Roses. They do have a very nice highly pigmented two matte and two shimmer shades, just perfect for the dark skin. This shows up on your eyes. I've used this palette to create this eye look today, and it's absolutely stunning. I love the way it turned out to be. I just gave this dark shade of burgundy on the outer corners and gave this shimmer onto the inner corners, and that's it. It's done. You don't really even need a brush except one single blending brush you have with this kind of a tapered edge, so that you can just keep that really nice way outside. So I just use one single brush to pick this product, and I use my fingers to give this shimmer, which is such a highly pigmented shimmer. Oh my god, look at the color, guys. It's absolutely too good. This is a very nice pink mauvey kind of color. They do have one more very very rose gold kind of dark shimmer shade, and two very highly pigmented matte powdery. This doesn't have a real fallout, but the matte is too super good pigmented product. Look at that. It's a very good product. I would surely recommend. If you love these colors, then surely go for it. This product, I got it really long time back, and can you see this? Okay, I haven't used this much, but there are two matte shades and two shimmer shades. The dark bronze golden color and the teal color here is a brown shimmer, and this one is for the brow bone, and this one is for the transition. Both of these are the matte shades. but I don't think you can use this as a transition. You can just go in for a very nice brown transition if you like, because this will not show up good on the dark skin, but on the fair skin I think you can use this as a transition base for this and but guys, these two shimmer shades are highly pigmented. I love this dark teal shade. This is super good. Look at the color, guys. Oh my god, it's highly pigmented. And this bronze and golden too is too very pigmented. I love the way it shows up on the skin, and they don't really need brush. Your just fingers gonna do magic. I love this 4 shades for quad palette from Wet n Wild. This retails for around 299, and they do have around like 4.5 grams of product. It comes for a really long time. This is one of the best investment if you don't really love too colorful, too many shades. I'm fine with this golden and a one dark shade for all that smoky and the day look. I think this is the best part. Little colorful palette from the Nika K. This is a poison apple. They do have lots of pinks and pink and orange undertone products in here. I love this color story of the palette. It's resembles something like the Huda Beauty palette, but Huda Beauty palette, I think it retails for around 3,000 rupees if I'm not wrong. I haven't even gone and checked that out, but this one retails for 499. It is an always offer for around 300 rupees. Do check this out. So I think it's always for 300 rupees. So they do have lot of palettes like from browns to pastels and lot of shades. Do check that out. I have 2 palettes from this range. I think Birthday Cake and Poison Apple. This one is a favorite because they do have a very highly pigmented lot of colors, and they do have one nice bronzy golden shade which can go with everything, and they do have this very nice rose gold color. Oh my god, look at that color payoff. It's absolutely super good. They do have 1 2 3 4 shimmer and 4 matte shades. Absolutely too good. This can be used as a highlighting shade, and all these 3 or 4 matches can be used as transition. It looks so good. This is another cool buy if you are looking for a very nice color story yet affordable, highly pigmented. Oh my god, this is a wonderful product. Okay, eyeshadows are not very favorite products for everyone in a daily basis, or if they really want to add that in your makeup kit, but with very affordable, has a very good color story with lots of shimmer in it, then I think you should never miss out the Mars eyeshadow palette. They do have a wonderful color story. I mean, they don't really have missed out any colors, do they? Like, this is a very colorful shimmer based eyeshadow palette, and guys, this retailed for around 200 rupees. I mean, I'm absolutely horse-struck. This has 26 grams of product, and it retails for 225, like 200. I think I'll surely give it on the screen. They do have like almost all the colors, shimmers, but the only drawback about this product is there are shimmer shades, but they are very creamy, very nice. They just look so good on the eyelids. I mean, I love the color. I mean, look at it. I have given a nice eyeshadow, concealer here. I'm just gonna apply it on the top of it. Can you see that? I mean, I'm gonna swatch this a very nice green. This is a very nice creamy based shimmer. Guys, the pigmentation is really too good. I did not expect. It's a bit chunky, but that's okay for the price we pay. And you want me to swatch this golden? Oh my god, that's awesome. Look at the golden, guys. Oh my god. And the green, awesome. So if you don't want to invest a lot of money on the eyeshadow palette, but yet want a very good color story and lots of shimmer shades, you just want to use your fingers to dab on this absolute super good shimmer palette, then Mars is a must buy. And this is a very affordable, super good quality product. If you are a Lakme fan and if you want a little detailed more than 10 color shades palette, then this one is a must buy. They have 12 shades. This is the Lakme Infinity Absolute eyeshadow palette, and this is how the package and the product looks like. They do have a lot, such a colorful palette. I love this palette. This is my recent favorite. It's not very highly pigmented, but for that Zoom meetings and everyday usage, if you want to go out and just for shopping, and I think this palette is an absolute too good. I love this palette because this goes really works well with the dark skin tones, because they do have a real colorful transition shades and really highly pigmented dark teal, green and nice bronze color. They do have a black, they do have a burgundy. Oh my god, I love this pink and I love this saffron here. They look stunning, and this is one of the wonderful palette if you can afford it at, and it retails for $9.95 and has 12 grams of product. I love this product. It's a wonderful palette for the dark skin. If you could pay off a little higher, then this is a must buy in your vanity. I do have another recommendation from LA Colors. LA Colors products are something which nobody speaks about. They are actually a good quality product at a very reasonable rate. I don't know why, like, it's not that hyped, but I have tried out most of the palette, but they are too good. This is another 6 shade palette from LA Colors, and they retail for around 270 or something, and even I got this on 185. Very affordable product. They do have this kind of color story. This is like all pinky mauvey kind of colors, but the only drawback about this product are all shimmer shades, but they're highly pigmented for the everyday subtle base. I love the way this color story is. This is a very nice palette with this from lighter to the darker shimmers. I don't know, but this really looks good on all outfits, and look at the color payoff. I mean, it's too good. I like all these mauvey colors which look so good on my skin, and there's one highlighting color if you could really highlight your brow bone or anything like that. But this is all shimmer very nicely, fine melt shimmer, and creamy but not very drying. Do check it out. Products from LA Colors, they do have wide range of eyeshadow palettes, and this is must buy if you are expecting something even below 200. And if you say I don't really have time for blending and I don't know what to apply, what not to, and so you want to go in one shade for that, then I surely recommend the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows. This is absolutely super good. I love the pigmentation, the way it sets on the skin. It dries off. There's no fallout, there's no drying off. This is super good. I love all the shades. They do have 12 shades. Oh my god, that's a big number. You have from black to red to green, what not. I have actually have a shot on this product, so it's a very highly pigmented glitter liquid lip. You don't want to use anything, just going for one color. Oh my god, it looks stunning. Just check out the shots which I have in my channel for all the color shades, and I have swatched them without makeup. Just go to check it out. It has 2.25 ml of product and retails for $199. You can actually get this on offer for $120 as well, and they do come in a big packaging, or else they are available even as a singles. You can try this out on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, anything as you wish, but it's an absolute super good product. Try this out if you're someone who don't really like blending and just one go with that dashing look. Oh my god, Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow is the must buy. So let's move on to the eyebrow product. I do have 2 recommendations from this. It's a very affordable yet high performance eyebrow pencil from the Blue Heaven, and I do have a Nykaa Oh My Brow eyebrow mascara from Nykaa. This is an absolute super stunning product. My recent favorites. This guys retails for around 75 rupees, and you can surely grab this on offer like 60 rupees. I mean, it's super affordable. There's another variant in this which comes with a spoolie, I think 115 rupees. Oh my god, they are super duper good. This is in the shade dark brown. They are so good, so nice, and really fills my brows very easily. And look at the color, guys. The pigmentation is too good, and it looks so good on the eyebrows. I love this. Is a must have product in your beauty kit. Never miss this out. And if you're too lazy to fill your brows, you want that really all set eyebrows which doesn't have to move, and this is a one-time investment. You have to get this your hands on this, guys. This is Nykaa Oh My Brow eyebrow mascara, which has a very nice pulley with a very thin brush. It gives such a nice definition to your eyebrows. I mean, this is super good. This is in the shade 01 Serious Brown. I mean, I love this. This is my recent favorite. Do check this out, guys. I think I have a separate review video for this product. Do check this out. This is a wonderful product. So all the drama starts with your eye makeup, so nothing can actually be good without the eyeliners and the kajal. I love them so much. There is no day for me without kajal or eyeliner. I love them. That's one of my favorite makeup products. So I do have a couple of collections from that, and this is the lowest of all. I think this is the Blue Heaven eyeliner. I mean, it retails for around 45 rupees, guys. 55 rupees. Oh my god, I can never get a product lesser than this for this quality and the packaging. You have to appreciate the packaging, guys. This is the Blue Heaven. I do have it in black, but I have it in green and I think brown. So this is the packaging. I haven't used this, but I've used the brown one. I mean, it's just like that Lakme eyeliner, which is a just like this. This is really too cool. I love the way I mean the bottle is designed. It's a nice little bottle with a nice amount of product. I mean, they do have like around 7 ml of product and retails for 55 rupees. It's a must buy and try product in your kit. They do have black, blue, green and brown in their shades. This is the green one I have. You must give this a try. This is the very affordable yet super performing eyeliner from the house of Blue Heaven. And the next one I do have from Blue Heaven, again this is a liquid eyeliner in the, it's a matte eyeliner. This is I think retails for around 65 rupees, guys. Even this is too good. They do have a real nice little, you know, a longer one to give that very nice and this is a dark blue shade. I love the shade. I have used the shade in one brand tutorial of Blue Heaven. Do check that out in my channel. I will surely link it. And this is another product which is a must buy and try out. This is in the shade dark blue and retails for 65 rupees. Again, this have something like 6 ml of product. Oh my goodness. And all this is in the affordable range. And again, the affordable, nothing goes out without the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. This is their bold eyeliner, which is super matte, highly pigmented black. I love the way it looks. Just that is, this wand is quite thick to give that real, you know, thin wing liner, but the color pigmentation of the black is absolutely too good. I love this product. It has actually 3 ml of product and retails for something around like 199 or 200 rupees, but this is my all-time favorite. And moving to the little high-end product, I have the L'Oreal Sketch Felt Tip Eyeliner. I mean, this is like wonderful product. It retails for around 700 rupees with kajal on one side and a felt tip eyeliner on the other side. Oh my god, this is highly pigmented, gives that perfect. Oh, look at the color payoff. Oh my god, this is like highly pigmented matte black, the one which I'm wearing right now today in my makeup. If you can really afford this product, and this is a must buy in your makeup kit, this makes your job really very easy. You can give that really good winged eyeliner with this felt tip and a real nice gel, you know, on the other side. This is a wonderful product. One time investment really goes for a longer while. I totally forgot to actually shoot the mascara, but I love this Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras I've ever used, so try this out. I don't purchase many mascaras at a time. Only when it is completed I repurchase it, and this one has 8 ml of product and retails for 4.99. So let's move on to the kajal, and there's no drama without this kajal, and there's no eye look without the kajal. This is the most favorite part of the cosmetics which I love, and I do have 2 recommendations from the kajal. In kajal there is nothing like eye, and I don't really buy anything more than 300 bucks. So when it comes to kajal, there are two favorites. I think there are 3-4 favorites. I love Lakme, I love L18, but my recent favorites, and I felt the pigmentation, the way it looks on my eyes is absolutely super stunning, is with this two kajal. The first one is the NYB apple of my eyes. I love this kajal. I've been using like 4-5 years now. Oh my god, this is too good. The pigmentation is super good of this kajal. I love the way it looks, and they are super highly pigmented matte kajal. It really doesn't smudge and it stays for a longer time. I love the way it looks on my eyes. I do have this Nykaa Black Magic kajal, and even this is a super good product. I don't know why I couldn't go out of this to bigger brands. Apart from these are so good. Like, it's so affordable, it's super pigmented, it lasts long, it's smudge proof. I mean, look at the pigmentations. All of these are highly pigmented, super stay products, which is so affordable for this price. I mean, this NYB apple of my eyes retails for around 115 rupees, and you can actually get this on offers like 80 rupees. And this Black Magic kajal retails for around 225. You can absolutely get it for 175. It's amazing, guys. Try this out. These are my recommendations on kajal. So let's move on to the lipsticks. I'll surely share the bullet lipsticks first, and then we'll move on to the liquid lipsticks. And the affordable point of view, I don't really go too low on the lipsticks because that really doesn't look so very good. So I would really start off my low cost or affordable products from Maybelline. This is the bullet lipsticks, very hydrating, very nice color. They do have like around 30 to 40 shades. That's a big range of products from Maybelline. This is their color show off, I believe, and creamy matte, and this is in the shade burgundy. So this is a very nice burgundy blush shade. I mean, I love this. It's so creamy, so well. It gives that really hydrating feel on your lips, and I love this product, and it retails for around something like 299. You can always get this on offer for 200 rupees. And I do have another product from the same range, that is same color show with the red bowls. This is a very good red color, which is perfect for all that special occasions. Oh my god, look at the color. This is a cool tone red for all the dark skin, whoever likes red but still doesn't have that orange undertone, just cool undertone for the dusky skin. This is one of the best buy. This is in the shade 10 smoking red, and this retails for 475. I can think you can get it for like around 350 or something on the offer. Then my top favorites in bullet lipsticks are from Lakme. So I do have Lakme's lot of various range. I do have this primer matte 925 creaseless bullet lipsticks. This is in the shade wine order. I mean, this is a very nice pink fuchsia color. I love the color. Look at that. This looks so good on the brown skin. It's not a matte lipstick, it's a very creamy lipstick. I love this. This is I don't think this recently comes. They do have another range, 925 primer matte lipsticks. This was the older ones, but I love this color, so I'm just having this. And next I do have the absolute matte. This is in the shade plum spell. This is a wonderful plum color. Again, I love all these colors. It looks similar, but I love that color. So this is a very matte, super hydrating bullet lipstick. This is actually retails for around 500 to 600 rupees. I'll give it on the screen. And I do have the argan oil lipstick range. This is in the shade juicy plum. So again, this is somewhat like a very creamy non-matte lipstick, very dark, good for medium to dusky skin tone. I love the way it looks on my lips. It's super hydrating, super creamy, the best glossy kind of look. Best Lakme products. So I think this is it for the bullet lipsticks. Let's move on to the liquid lipsticks. Since these days we have our mask on, so I prefer mostly using liquid lipsticks more than the bullet ones and the creamy ones. If I have to go for the least one, then it is the Blue Heaven matte lip color. Oh my god, this is such a nice mauve color. I have done a separate shots on this to check it out. This is a wonderful color, I should say, or the one which I have today right on my lips. This is a perfect mauve pink. Oh my god, too good on the dusky and dark skin. This is a very good mauve color. 07. I don't know where to swatch it, but okay, let me do it here. Oh my god, look at that color, guys. Most of them have asked me about this color when I wear it on my lips. This is the one. This is Blue Heaven matte lip color in the shade 07. This is a wonderful product, and it retails for around like 150 or 140. Oh my god, very nice, must try out. And moving on to the next favorite I have from the NY by X Shakti range. Again, this is a very nice burgundy, like plum kind of color. This is in the shade 1 Dalit Babe. This color too, I love this color. It's a very nice dark burgundy maroon kind of color. Look at the color, guys. It's a super good. This is one of the must have if you have some special occasions, night outs. Oh my god, this looks super stunning. This is the next product, and I do have one product which most probably people don't speak about. This is the product from Essence. It's a color boost Essence Mad About Matte. This one, everyone have mentioned about this product. Whenever I apply this, the lips is super good when I apply this product. Even this has a very nice burgundy undertone color, but look at the color. It has red undertone. It looks super stunning on dusky, dark, anybody out there. This is one such a creamy matte liquid lipstick. I'm not getting this. This is out of stock on Flipkart. I got this on Flipkart. It is not available. It retails for something around like $2.99, but you can easily get this on offer $2.95. This has like around this is in the shade Magnetic Gloom, and they do have 8 ml of product. And my next suggestions would be on the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is again a super mauve color. This is Mauve Party 14. Again, this is a very light liquid lipstick in the mauve shade. I love the way it looks. Oh my god, look at that, guys. It's a very nice mauve for your everyday use, mask on. Super good, super hydrating, not very drying, not very patchy, highly pigmented, must try, must have. This one retails for around again $2.95 something. All of them are around 100-300. And I do have another must buy product from Nykaa. This is their Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Maharani. Oh my god, this is such a wonderful red shade. I love this. So let's swatch this out too for you guys. Oh my, I'll do it here. Look at the color. Oh my god, look at the color, guys. It's highly pigmented. It's just like Maharani. No lipsticks can stand beside this color. This is a wonderful red undertone. It looks too good on dusky and dark skin. Final product is nothing but the L'Oreal Signature Rogue range. This is my favorite, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick which looks so good on your lips. It's on the expensive side. It retails for around $7.50, and this is in the shade I Enjoy. This too, it looks very good on the dark and dusky skin. I think in couple of videos, previous videos, and I've done the one brand L'Oreal, I have used this product. Do check that out. It's a wonderful lip color for dusky and dark skin. So I had to mention all of these for dusky and dark skin.
So last but not the least is the setting spray in our Vanity. It is extremely used to extend the makeup fade, and it prevents from cracking, smudging, fading and creasing. So I always love Wet n Wild products. So I have them in 2 variants. One is the normal photo focus setting spray, and another one is from the variant Rose. So both of them retails for $4.99, and and this has 45 ml of product, and I love this product. The photo focus one has aloe vera in it, which actually hydrates the skin, and the rose one is actually a prep, set and refresh. You can use it before the makeup and after the makeup to just set your skin, makeup and to last long. And I love this both the products.
Finally, we have come to the conclusion of this video. I have actually given all of those suggestions and recommendations on the products according to the age. I have almost washed out all the lipsticks, kind of little darker to your skin, but the shades like this really look dashing on us. I have experienced it, and you could see my videos where I have applied dark color lipsticks, really looks dashing. Finally, after this long video, I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please give a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Don't ever forget it. And I hope I actually shared like my heart out to you in today's video. All the products which I really enjoy, which I really loved, which I really changed the game of the makeup is the products which I shared with you. And I would surely expect one little thumbs up from you guys to give that like. And until next time, we're signing off. Bye.